Yeah, we're obviously delighted with the result. 5-0 in the Premier League is quite rare these days, and we're thankful we got the 3 points.
Do you think that's one of the best United performances of the season so far?
Yeah, I'd say so. Especially first half, we played quick football, counter-attacked at the right times and scored some good goals. And then second half at times was good. Still could have been better, but overall we're delighted with the win.
How would you assess your own form at the moment?
Yeah, I'm doing well. I'm enjoying it. I feel fit, so hopefully that'll continue.
You got the first goal, and was it frustrating up to that point? Because you seem to have so many chances, but couldn't get the breakthrough.
Yeah, I think I hit the post before that, the crossbar after that. So no, but as I say, we got 5 goals as a team, so that's the main thing. We got back scoring. 5 goals, I said before, is quite rare nowadays. So we're delighted with that.
And your goal, good ball in from Rafa on the right.
Yeah, it was a great ball. I think he was brilliant today. He's so sharp up against the winger when they get the ball in. Going forward, he's always a threat. So he took his goal well too. So he's a big plus when he's fit.
That's 15 goals. I mean, are you aiming to beat your seasonal total of 23, the most you've scored in a season?
Well, I'd hope so. If I don't get at least 8 more from now towards the end of the season, then something must be seriously wrong. So I hope so here.
Rafa's got his goal before half-time, and great to see him run over to celebrate with Fabio. Nice moment.
Today for a very unique event, an exclusive interview with President Obama, in which the questions come from American people who've submitted them and chosen them online. My name is Steve Grove, and I'm the head of news and politics at YouTube. Mr. President, thank you for taking time to answer these questions today.
It's my pleasure. Thank you, Steve. Thanks for having me, and thanks to YouTube for doing this. We had a chance to do this before I was elected and had a great time, so I'm glad we can do it again.
Great. Well, let's tell people a little bit about how this works. 5 days ago, as you were delivering your State of the Union address, we opened up our moderator platform on YouTube, where thousands of people have been submitting and voting on both video and text questions. Some of them, as you'll see, were hard-hitting. Others were emotional. Some were even funny. But all of the questions you'll see here today were voted into the top tier of the thousands of questions we received. And none of them have been chosen by the White House or seen by the President. So this should be a lot of fun.
About storage of spent fuel and concerns about security, but we still think it's the right thing to do if we're serious about dealing with climate change. With respect to clean coal technology, it is not possible at this point to completely eliminate coal from the menu of our energy options. And if we are ever going to deal with climate change in a serious way, where we know China and India are going to be greatly reliant on coal, we've got to start developing clean coal technologies that can sequester the harmful emissions, because otherwise countries like China and India are not going to stop using coal. We'll still have those same problems, but we won't have the technology to make sure that it doesn't harm the environment over the long term. So I know that there's some skepticism about whether there is such a thing as clean coal technology. What is true is right now that we don't have all the technology to prevent greenhouse gas emissions from coal-powered power plants. But the technology is close, and it makes sense for us to make that investment now, not only because it will be good for America, but it will also ultimately be good internationally. We can license and export that technology in ways that help other countries use a better form of energy that's going to be helpful to the climate change issue.
Mr. President, I think we're out of time, but I know a lot of people really enjoyed the opportunity to ask questions of you in this way, and would love to do this again with you sometime.
You know, this was terrific, and I just want to thank everybody who submitted questions, whether via email or over the internet, and I hope we get a chance to do this on a more regular basis, because it gives me great access to all the people out there with wonderful ideas. And even if you didn't make your question, even if it wasn't on this show, we appreciate your submission, and hopefully we'll catch you next time.
Great. Thanks, Mr. President.
Thank you. Appreciate it.